All right, so here at a nursery, picking up some trees, and we're gonna drive in this door here. You can see all the trees around in here. I'm gonna pick up parking up here. Let's set those annoying wipers off. I don't think we need those in here. It's a nice rainy day though. Look at all that. Wow. Okay, and we're loaded. They're all in there. I gotta tarp this thing down, and we're gonna get out of here. All right, well, that's it, unloaded. Here's the wide assortment of trees. We tried to lay them all out. I think we got over like 20 different varieties. Got several different types of maples, oaks, some tilias, a lot of different ginkos, a few different types of trees that we've got in here. And we've laid them all out, divided them up, so keep them organized. So when we plant them kind of together so we know where the exact type of tree is. And yeah, so all laid out, and then either later this afternoon or probably tomorrow because it's been rainy. Got to get a little bit of mist on these guys here, and it's nice and cool, so they'll be okay overnight. But tomorrow we got to start planting these ASAP. Can't leave them out like this bare root for too long. Just put this filter cloth over top here, all the way down here, and we're just gonna soak this filter cloth here. And the weather's pretty gloomy and gray. It has been all day. Hey, that rhymed. Look at that, eh? It's like I meant to do that. But anyways. Yeah, so it's been pretty gloomy, rainy day, so it's actually perfect, and it's nice and chill, nice cold conditions, so these will be okay. But just as an extra measure, I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and tomorrow we'll be back, and hopefully if not tomorrow, have everything planted the day after. So between tomorrow and the next day, we should have this all planted. So yeah, we'll see you in the morning. All right, so this is the first area that we're gonna be planting in. So we're gonna put the string line, kind of like we did if you saw some of our earlier videos, planting trees along the road edge there. This is where we're cleaning up a brush line and planting trees. It's kind of what we did as well. Put a string line so that we make sure the trees are straight, and then after we measure them out so they're same spacing between all of them, and that's how we're going to get that to be nice and straight and evenly spaced apart, all the trees. So this will be the first quadrant we'll do up until these trees have a couple lines to fill in, and after that we're going to have some to fill in just over there in another area wherever we have the vacancy for trees, like this area here. Here we go. There's first row planted. Got Nelson out here today and Mario. Now we're starting on row number 2. Hey, it was Nelson's birthday. Hey, the other day, happy birthday, belated birthday. Yesterday, yeah. All right, so now we've got the sun out. Hey, look at that, eh? These aren't even sunglasses, but actually just safety glasses. Anyways, yeah, so the sun's out and we are just about finishing up planting in this kind of quadrant here. We filled up all the gaps. So each row here, if you actually go full, like from start to finish, it's usually roughly 25, 26 trees. So we did 2 rows here, so that's like 50 right here. And then we did another row or 2 like that over there. So, and then a couple miscellaneous ones, like 5 here, 10 there, filling in. So we've probably done close to like 150 trees in this quadrant here, and they're just finishing up the last ones there where they we had some gaps in between some trees. So wrapping this up, and then we're going to be going back to the other side of the farm, to the back there, and we're going to be planting some more back there. So we'll see you there. All right, so there we go. That's these 2 rows all the way done, all the way to the end. And we had a couple trees left over. It was actually exactly 7 of that kind. So just to keep them near each other, we planted those here, which actually fit perfectly, 7. And now we're starting with our next group of 50, which are going to be, I believe, sugar maples. This is the next set of 50. It's going to be sugar maples. We're going to do 25 and 25, where I've got these marked out now. So got the string lines in place, got it all marked. Now it's just a matter of going through, doing the holes, dividing them up and planting. So it's going to be 50 sugar maples and then some oaks up ahead to finish off. Little side note, this is a little cool area we got in the back here. Love walking back here. It's so beautiful. Got these pine trees all nice and trimmed, and it makes it like basically like a tunnel. It's really, really cool. Always enjoy coming here for a walk in the winter time or in the summertime. Whenever you come, it's always nice to just come through this little tunnel area here. Goes all the way around, all the way down. Quite a nice little walk. Yeah, anyways, back to work. Getting the last of the trees planted now, and the final step, go through and use our watering truck, high-tech watering equipment here, to get a nice dollop of water, whatever that means, on all the trees here.
What's going on, John?
All right, so just finishing up now, water on the front lawn, and that's the last ones. Got my sister Jenna decided to come help us here at the very end, get some water on all the trees. And yeah, so we're just tidying this all up. It's coming to an end now, and that's that. All the trees are planted that we had to plant for this year. You better run. I was gonna get you on film getting soaked with a pail, but like, okay, that'll be nice.